If your company runs multiple locations, HVAC costs can be a hidden drain. And one of the biggest culprits, neglected air filters. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, a dirty HVAC filter can increase energy use by up to 15%. Eliminating that waste is only part of the savings National Filter Service can provide across all of your locations. One company, one process, one invoice. We only change your filters. No upselling, no added charges, no surprises, just a verified filter change you can count on. The work is verified with an electronic signature from inside of every unit. National Filter Service changes HVAC filters for national organizations, restaurant, retail, and convenience store chains coast to coast. Find out what America's first nationwide filter service can do for you.